This video is a guide for assembling the close-coupled US-FIP pumps. Please refer to the manual for parts reference and additional details. Make sure that the motor face and shaft are clean and free from burrs. Place the pump shaft onto the motor shaft with the shaft key in place. Place the pump adapter onto the motor and secure with half-inch bolts. Place a new shaft seal collar, spring, and rotating seal face onto the pump shaft. Secure the set screws on the collar. Use the provided gauge to set the shaft height and tighten the shaft screws. Lubricate a new carbon ring with silicone spray and press it into the back plate. Place a new O-ring in the bottom plate. Align the screws in the bottom plate, press down against the spring, and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Lubricate the inside of the pump casing and rotate the impeller into the casing. Slide the impeller and casing over the shaft. Align the casing with the back plate and secure the assembly with a clamp. Place a new O-ring into the front cover. Align the cover with the pump casing. Secure the assembly with a clamp. Set the adapter cover in place and secure with a 1/4-inch screw. Secure the screw with a 7/16-inch wrench. Your US-FIP pump is now ready for installation. Please refer to the instruction manual for piping hints and installation guidelines. Thank you for using US-FIP pumps.